Lot S75 is a 1974 AMC AMX with a 360 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission. And it bid to $30,000 but did not sell on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 5,199 miles. And the highlights are 360 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, tilt steering column, Pierre Cardin multicolored interior, bucket seats and console, rear spoiler, and Krager wheels. And this one was painted G4 code Plum Metallic, which is a pretty rare color. This is the only one I've ever seen in this color. And it was had some day 2 upgrades to it. Had the Krager wheels, some modifications under the hood, a different aluminum radiator and different carburetor, it looks like. But still had a lot of eyeball. It was definitely a good looker. Unfortunately, it wasn't enough for the seller, so he ended up taking her back home. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.